Hi, and welcome to English Lessons with Stephanie. This is a quick overview of what's in English Class 1. Our first lesson will be a grammar lesson. This week, we're going to start with the parts of speech. It'll take about 10 minutes. This is a very basic class, so if you are a more advanced student, you can skip it. Lesson number 2 is our listening lesson, and this week we'll hear the story of why I teach English. Lesson 3 is a reading lesson, in which we'll read the same text that we listened to in our listening lesson, and you can have a chance to look at it more closely. The fourth lesson is a writing lesson, where we'll look at the vocabulary from this week's text and how to write with these words properly. And the fifth lesson is a speaking lesson, where we will have a chance to practice talking about the ideas from this week's class. Here are some tips to get the most out of this English class. Do the lessons in order. As I said, you can skip the first lesson if you are more advanced. Secondly, download the class notes before starting. You can find a link on the classes page. The class handout features some of the slides that are in the lessons, so you can follow along more easily. If you don't have access to a printer or you can't download these handouts, you can just use a notebook for notes. Third, turn on closed captions if you need them. If you're having trouble understanding the videos, if they're too hard for you, you can turn on subtitles, which can help you to understand the videos a little bit better. Next, when you're finished with the class, review with a grammar worksheet and vocabulary review also on the classes page. Finally, if you can, try and study the lessons with a friend. It really helps when you have someone that you can discuss the lessons with and ask questions if you need help. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this class.